Have you ever looked inside a pumpkin and thought, that looks yummy? No? Me neither. But what if I told you that it is actually absolutely delicious? Hi, I'm Ali, and I'm here to change your mind. We all know pumpkin seeds are good for you. They've been shown to improve heart health, blood sugar levels, fertility, and sleep quality. They may even protect against certain types of cancer. In addition, their rich nutrient contents may provide other health benefits such as improved energy, mood, and immune function. In fact, I eat a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds on my breakfast every day. But the whole pumpkin seeds out of a pumpkin? Ew! But let me show you how to roast them. It will totally blow your mind. I literally couldn't believe that you can eat a whole pumpkin seed, including the shell. So all we have to do, pop it in a bowl of water and let it soak for a bit. That will help you get rid of the pumpkin flesh. Don't worry if some bits are remaining, it doesn't matter. And don't forget to compost the flesh. You can give them a final rinse and pat them dry, but don't worry if they're still wet, because they will dry in the oven. The drier they are, the faster you can bake them. Add a half a teaspoon of salt or less, depending how salty you want them to be. You can add different herbs and spices if you really wish, but I like them plain, just with salt. And half a teaspoon of rapeseed oil. That's canola oil if you're not in the UK. Give them a good mix. Spread them nice and evenly on a roasting tray. There's no need to line it. And that's it, pop it in the oven. Mine are still quite wet, so I will pop them in the oven for 25 minutes. At 180 degrees Celsius, that's about 350 Fahrenheit fan oven. You want to check on them from time to time to make sure they're not burning. You don't want them to be white or pale, because that means they're not done yet. Doesn't that look delicious? Just give it a try. They are nice and crunchy and salty, and of course, good for you. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container, where it will keep for a week. But I bet you will eat it way before then. And yes, I know the Halloween's just finished, but the beauty of Halloween, it comes around every year. If you like this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. And thank you for your support.